Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I do things a little different from everybody else, but I do a lot of old school stuff. All right, so I have this frosting on my windshield when it gets cold like it is in January. And I don't feel like scraping windows and doing this and doing that. So I put just Ziploc bags on my side mirror. Gonna pull them off, and I barely have anything up there. Come to the other side, I've already taken that off, and I don't have to defrost this side right here at all. Then I just take off my little frost guard that's gonna be frozen, but the windshield itself, 90% of it is gonna be frost free. As you can see, frost free. I'll come over to the driver's side. Pull that right up, pull that right off, open the door, take off the frost-free thing, and voila, nice clean windshield. The side windows, I can't do anything about that, but for the majority of the vehicle, I can just go ahead and take off. This is just a mobile mechanic tip. If you like to buy any of these items that I have, the Ziploc bags, you can just get them yourself. Nice big giant ones. I'll make sure I have them in the description when the video comes out. And also for this frost-free thing I have on the windshield, that'll be in the descriptions. All you gotta do is go to my Amazon mechanic store, and you will see them right in there, and amongst other things that I use every day. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It is in the teens out here, so please have a good day.